Hello and welcome to my shed. Thought I'd show you a few engines a minute. There's the Villiers Mark 10, you can see it. There he is. A few old Villiers engines there. My Villiers Mark 15 with top and generator. There's the Mark 12. There's the Mark 25. Lister domestic pump. Villiers Mark 20, which is got ignition problems at the moment. The Mark 40 under there, you can see it. Suffolk Iron Foundry bits and pieces. Villiers bits and pieces there. It's a bit of a Briggs there. And out here on my dad's dumper is a Petter PH2 diesel, 19 horsepower, on a Winget 2-ton dumper. And that's all my engines in the shed.
I drove my tractor through your haystack last night.